Hey guys, so just saw this in front of Volkswagen. I'm not going to show the end of the car where there's a plate. As you can see, the car is really lowered. I've never saw a Volkswagen without the front plate and the bumper. This is probably imported from US, just the bumper. But it has an AMG Mercedes wheels. Look at this. They're underneath. This is sticking outside. The tire is actually touching the bumper, so I'm like, has a huge spoiler on the back. It looks cool. It's lowered, but I'm not personally for this kind of a low. Lowering the car, that is just, I don't know how is he handling the curbs, or excuse me, or how is this working out? Maybe the car lifts up a bit, because this is just, the tire is touching the fender, so I'm really not sure how is this working. I just don't want to show the entire plate of the car. And has exhaust. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about this and this? Do you like this lowering, or do you dislike it?